What if I told you that you don't need a huge farm or millions of dollars to start a profitable livestock business? What if just a few goats could become the beginning of a business that brings you income for many years? The truth is, many successful goat farmers started with just 2 to 5 goats. But many beginners also fail because they make simple mistakes that could have been avoided. So, how do you start goat farming the right way? How many goats should you buy? What breed should you choose? What should you feed them? And how can you avoid losing money in your first year? Stay with me until the end because I'll also share one mistake that causes many beginners to lose their goats within the first few months. Let's get started. Section 1. Why goat farming is a great business. Goat farming is one of the easiest livestock businesses for beginners. Goats are strong animals. They can survive in many weather conditions. They don't require expensive buildings. They grow fast. And they reproduce quickly. One healthy female goat can give birth to twins, and sometimes even triplets. This means your herd can grow much faster than you expect. There is also strong demand for goat meat in many countries. People buy goats for food. Others buy them for breeding. Some buy them during festivals and celebrations. Goat milk is also becoming more popular because many people believe it is easier to digest than cow's milk. So, whether you want to sell meat, breeding stock, or milk, goat farming offers several ways to make money. Section 2. Decide why you want to keep goats. Before buying your first goat, ask yourself one important question. What is my goal? Different goals require different breeds and management. For example, if you want to produce meat, choose meat breeds. If you want milk, choose dairy breeds. If you want breeding animals, focus on healthy, high-quality genetics. Many beginners make the mistake of buying any cheap goat they find. Later, they realize those goats don't fit their business plan. Always know your purpose before spending your money. Section 3. Choose the right goat breed. Not all goats are the same. Some grow very fast. Some produce lots of milk. Others survive better in hot climates. Popular meat breeds include Boer, Goat Kalahari, Red Savannah. Goat popular dairy breeds include Saanen Alpine, Toggenburg, Anglo-Nubian. If you're in Africa, you can also start with healthy local breeds because they are already adapted to your environment. Local goats may grow more slowly than imported breeds, but they are usually tougher and cheaper to manage. Choose healthy animals with bright eyes, clean noses, smooth coats, and strong legs. Never buy sick-looking goats just because they're cheap. Cheap animals often become expensive later. Section 4. How many goats should beginners start with? This is one of the most common questions. Many people think they need 100 goats before they can make money. That's not true. For beginners, starting with 2 females and 1 male or 5 females and 1 male is usually enough. This allows you to learn without taking huge financial risks. As your experience grows, your herd will naturally increase through breeding. Remember, a small herd that is well managed is far better than a large herd that you cannot care for. Section 5. Build a good goat house. Many beginners think goats can sleep anywhere. That is one of the biggest mistakes. Goats hate wet conditions. Their house should always stay dry. A good goat house should have a raised floor if possible, good ventilation, a waterproof roof, enough space for every goat, clean drinking water, strong fencing to protect them from predators and theft. The floor should also be easy to clean. Keeping the house clean helps prevent diseases. Remember, a clean goat house saves money on medicine. Section 6. Feeding your goats. Properly, goats are browsers. They enjoy eating leaves, shrubs, grasses, and tree branches. But don't assume they can survive by eating anything. Good nutrition is the key to healthy goats. Their diet can include fresh grasses, legume plants, tree leaves, hay during the dry season, concentrates when necessary. Always provide clean drinking water every day. Goats also need mineral blocks or mineral supplements. These help improve growth, fertility, and overall health. Never feed moldy or rotten feed. It can make goats seriously sick. Healthy feed equals healthy profits. Section 7. Health care is very important. Even strong goats get sick. The secret is prevention. Don't wait until your goats become weak before taking action. Create a vaccination schedule. Deworm your goats regularly. Control ticks and external parasites. Observe your goats every day. Healthy goats eat well. They walk normally. They are active. If a goat suddenly stops eating or separates from the group, something may be wrong. The earlier you notice illness, the easier and cheaper it is to treat. If possible, work with a local veterinarian. Section 8. Breeding your goats. Goats reproduce quickly. Female goats usually become ready for breeding between 7 and 12 months, depending on the breed and body condition. However, don't breed goats too early. Allow them to grow properly before mating. Healthy mothers produce healthier kids. Pregnancy lasts about 5 months. Many goats give birth to twins. Good feeding during pregnancy is extremely important. After birth, ensure newborn kids receive their mother's first milk, called colostrum. It contains important antibodies that protect them from disease. Section 9. Record keeping. Many beginners ignore this, but successful farmers write everything down. Record birth dates, breeding dates, vaccinations, deworming, medicine used, feed costs, sales, deaths. These records help you know whether your business is making money. Without records, you're simply guessing. Your notebook can become one of the most valuable tools on your farm. Section 10. Common mistakes beginners make. Now let's talk about the mistakes that destroy many goat farming businesses. Buying unhealthy goats. Poor housing. Overcrowding. Not vaccinating. Poor feeding. Ignoring clean water. Mixing sick goats with healthy goats. Failing to keep records. Buying too many goats too quickly. Trying to save money by avoiding veterinary care. These mistakes often cost much more than proper management. Learn slowly. Improve every month. Success comes from consistency. Section 11. How to make money from goat farming. Many people think selling meat is the only way. Actually, there are several income opportunities. You can sell breeding goats, young kids, goat meat, goat milk, manure for crop farming, breeding services, goat skins in some areas. Some farmers even earn extra income by teaching others how to raise goats. The more knowledge you gain, the more opportunities become available. Section 12. How much money do you need to start? The answer depends on your country and the prices in your area. Your main expenses include buying goats, building a shelter, fencing, feed, water containers, medicine, vaccinations, mineral supplements, simple farm tools. The good news is you don't have to start big. Start with what you can comfortably afford. Focus on healthy animals rather than large numbers. A well-managed small farm can grow into a large business over time. Section 13. Final advice for every beginner. Goat farming is not a get-rich-quick business. It requires patience, learning, observation, and consistency. Don't compare your beginning to someone else's 10-year journey. Visit experienced farmers, Read books, watch educational videos, keep learning every day. Every mistake becomes a lesson if you're willing to improve. Your first few goats could become dozens in just a few years if you manage them properly. Remember, healthy goats produce healthy profits. If you found this guide helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Hit the like button so more people can discover this video. Subscribe to the channel because we post simple, practical livestock farming videos every week to help you become a better farmer. And if you're planning to start goat farming, tell us in the comments. How many goats do you want to start with, and which country are you watching from? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.